How to export video in gallery in Alight Motion. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to export your video in gallery, if you are using Alight Motion to edit it, here's what you need to do. So first thing, just open up any of your project on Alight Motion. So let me just quickly open it, and now to export your any of the edited video to your gallery, you just have to tap on this top right corner after successfully editing your video, just like this. And once you tap on this top right corner, that is export button. Just make sure to choose all of your quality settings and all the details over here, and simply tap on this export and just wait for a few seconds, and just like that your video should be exported. And you can just tap on the save button to actually save your video to gallery. As you can see, it says your video is saved to gallery. Now simply open your gallery, and as you can see, just like that, your Alight Motion video which you just edited will be exported to your gallery and can be viewed from your gallery just like that. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.